The LAYEREDGE POH, that is the proof of humanity, has been a nightmare to so many people, and we are all having different kinds of problems, different kinds of issues in trying to verify our accounts to be qualified for the airdrop. And I'm quickly going to share with you in this particular video. So if you have tried to verify your POH in the LAYEREDGE project to no avail, then I have good news for you in this particular video, because I am going to share with you what nobody is talking about, what the secrets that nobody is revealing to you about the LAYEREDGE node verification. I have tried this for a couple of days. In fact, I almost gave up on this particular verification method until I finally came up with this particular information that I'm about to share with you in this particular video. So please, if you have not yet done your verification on LAYEREDGE, you need to watch this video, because I might just solve that particular problem that you have been encountering all this while. So as you know, the end of the POH is going to be tomorrow. So if by tomorrow you have not verified your account, I'm sorry, that might be the end of your LAYEREDGE project. So if you have been trying to log into it, trying to verify you, I believe that it is almost the common thing for nearly everybody. You already know that for you to get verified, you just need to choose an exchange right here. I don't need to go much into that because you already understand. So I'm just quickly going to go down and then look for gate.io, and for you to use the gate.io, you might need the level 2, and you might also do without needing the level 2. Is not like mandatory. There are 2 exchanges right here that you can simply use with the exact first verification that method. So it is the KuCoin and the gate.io. Just click on verify now like this. You just have to wait, let it load. So it is going to bring you to this page, and then what you are supposed to do is click on download for Android, because I'm using Android, and then it is going to bring you here where you need to download your TransGate app. So once you download the TransGate app, you are supposed to go back and then come back. So once you come back right here, you are supposed to just come down and then still scroll down to that that same exchange that you use. So if you click on it, let's say this is it, where is it? So this is it right here. If you had downloaded now and click on it right now like this, it is supposed to make your TransGate app to pop up on your screen right here. But the challenge everyone is having is that it will bring you back right here. So it will bring you back right to this particular page. So and then you end up not verifying your account. So I have even gone ballistic by simply being passionate, and then from here I just come over to these 3 lines right here, and then I click on open in browser. So if I click on open in browser, you will see that, look at it, I actually got it verified right here. This is TransGate app, and you can see I have been verified right here. And if I click on it, you can see congratulations, Gate KYC. So I have actually verified on the TransGate right here. But then if I take you back to my LAYEREDGE site, you see that it's still showing you haven't completed the proof of humanity. Guys, it has been serious headache. So now I just came up with a solution. So once you come back right here, so this is what you are going to do. It's very simple. Then in your Google Play Store, what I want you to do for me is just go ahead and search for Token Pocket. So you search for Token Pocket. This is it right here. So this is it. This is what you need to download. So you just click on install, and then you wait for it to install. Before we go into that, if you look back right here, let me just quickly share this with you. At first, when I was clicking on this verify now, and it was still taking me back to where to download the TransGate app, I was thinking probably is because my MetaMask is not up to date, or I even tried it on Mrs. and I was still having the same result. So I went to my Google Play Store and I updated my Mrs. browser, I updated my MetaMask, and then I came back, it was still the same thing. So after downloading the Token Pocket, you just need to click right here on open. So it is going to open up like this. You just have to click on allow, and then you click anywhere on your screen. So they are going to ask you whether you want to create an account, or you have one, and then you can just import a wallet. So I'm going to do the import wallet. So you can choose to do import wallet, and these are the options that you can use to be able to import your wallet. So I'm going to import my MetaMask wallet into this particular page right here. Next thing you have to do is go and copy the POH link of the LAYEREDGE. I'm going to leave it in the comment section and also in the description section. So once you copy it, you are going to come over to discover right here, and then you click on enter URL right here. You just paste it right here, click on enter, and then once you click on enter, it is going to come up like this. So all you have to do is just come and click on continue. It is going to open up like this. So the next thing you have to do is come over to connect wallet right here, and then click on that, and then choose your wallet. I'm just going to go ahead and choose my MetaMask, and then to connect my wallet. So you can see I've connected my wallet, and it's still showing me that you haven't completed the proof of humanity. So the next thing you have to do is download the TransGate app. TransGate app. So this is it right here. So you just have to come down and click on install, and then it has successfully downloaded. So you just have to come back, and then you come over and then still go ahead and click on the verify with gate. So this is it right here. So you click on verify now. So once you click on verify now, you just wait. Once you get here, instead of coming over to download right here, make sure that you have first downloaded the TransGate app. You have to come down right here, and then you click on open in browser to wait for it to load. So you are just going to click on OK. So this page is going to open up where you have to log in your gate information. So you just have to go. I will just go ahead and put mine. So it is going to load up here. All you have to do is click on this particular square right here, and I am not a robot, and then you can see they say that you should select all squares with stairs. So we are just going to go ahead and select all of it. So once you click on open right here, you can see I need to confirm my login information. So you can see we have successfully logged in. So we have to just go ahead and verify with ZK Pass. So, and then you just have to wait for it, let it load up by itself. So you can see it is generating the proof right now. So you just have to wait, and then you can see right here it is now showing you have successfully proved yourself. So I can click on back. Now if you remember, I said you are seeing it here, which is the TransGate, but if you go to your app, you won't see it. I told you that sometimes when you try to connect it, you will discover that you will log in successfully on your TransGate, and then you will show that your verification is successful on your TransGate. But if you head back to LAYEREDGE, you will discover that it's not showing successful. Now it is successful on the TransGate right here. So we are still on, don't forget, we are still on token pocket. So we are going to go back, head back, and then check it on the token pocket whether we have successfully been verified by simply backing. So once we back now and come back, you see it is showing you have not completed the proof of humanity. So we have to head back now, and then we click on that same verify on the gate right here now. So you click on that. So once you click on it, you just have to wait. What I would advise you to do is close down everything. Once you have closed down everything, launch back your token pocket right here. So you can see I just launched it, and then come back to the discover page right here, and then you go back again, and then you launch the same website again. So once you close back everything and restart, you can see now that we have successfully done the proof of humanity, and the score is now 40. You can also do other exchanges if you wish, so that you can up more of this your points, but for me, I'm not going to do it. This score is already enough. So according to them, what they said is that if as long as you have above 20, I think above 20, you are good to go. Of course, it is just a simple verification. It has nothing to do with your allocation. So but the thing is that the more you get this, the higher your chances to get the airdrop allocation. But for me, once you have gotten the proof of humanity, I think you should be good to go. That will be all, and that is what I wanted to show you in this particular video, guys. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.